Feminoteka is focusing on supporting women who experience gender-based violence, mainly sexual violence, but also domestic violence.
Currently 6 women live here with 5 children, 3 dogs and 4 cats. We are the only place of its kind in the whole Poland that takes in women with pets.
We create safe space for women so they can share their very hard, sometimes traumatical experience, and they can find here peace, they can find support, they can find trust, which very often they can't find in the society. So in 2025 we received almost 2,000 calls, mostly from women who experience violence, but also from witnesses of violence. Those women who are calling us are not only Polish, but also migrants and refugees, mostly from Ukraine. We are renting this building from the city. It was very messy when we received that.
Hi, this is a place we want to renovate. Come in. We don't know what's underneath the floor.
The roof also needs a huge renovation.
So we need professional and experienced crew to take on that challenge. And the plan is to have it ready for women with newborns. You know, it's a special moment and time, and also it's a time when women that experience violence are very vulnerable.
Without Feminoteka's shelter, they may face any kind of danger which is connected to being a homeless person, like violence, abuse.
Feminoteka przyjęła mnie tutaj bardzo dobrze, dała wszystko, co mi potrzeba. Że czuję, że mam po prostu swoje, że stąd nikt nie może mi powiedzieć taki wyjeżdżaj, jak mi mówił facet, z którym ja mieszkałam. Jakby tutaj czuję, że jestem tutaj twardo na nogach. Matki, które po prostu boją się zrobić ten krok, że odejdź, bo nie ma pieniędzy, a jak z dzieckiem pociągnie, podejmie pracę, a jak wszystko. Po prostu tak, co ja bałam się. Nie wiem, byłoby dobrze, żeby wiedzieli, że jest takie schronisko, jest gdzie iść, że nie bali się po prostu.
We run trainings, for example, like yoga sessions, yoga after trauma, and when-do, to improve their healing process and also to work with their feeling of self-assure. And when-do is feminist self-defense techniques. It's working with assertiveness, setting our boundaries. With the support of doTERRA, we don't have to be in this kind of situation like we were last month, that we have to refuse 2 women who wanted to stay in our shelter because we didn't have the rooms for them. Together we can help more women in the need who experience violence.